Hello and welcome back to Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 30 mini houses that will blow your mind. These tiny homes pack big design, smart layouts, and some serious wow factor. Let's get started. Beehive. The Beehive is an 8-meter bamboo and earth dome built by 30 Natural Building Lab students. Inspired by organic forms, its bamboo frame offers strength and lightness, while the earth coating adds warmth. Shaped like a womb, it invites quiet reflection. Its natural materials and circular form create a calm, grounding space that connects visitors to nature and the rhythms of the earth. Mystique Tent. This is the Mystique Tent, a uniquely designed, mushroom-shaped cabin made for the modern adventurer. Combining eye-catching style with high-performance materials like metal, PVC, nylon, insulation, and cotton, these tents offer exceptional durability, comfort, and weather resistance. Spacious and easy to assemble, they're perfect for everything from family camping trips to rugged outdoor expeditions. Customizable in size, color, and furnishings, the Mystique Tent lets you create your own dream camping space. Smallest house. The smallest house is a 25 square foot, fully functional home with a sink, shower, stove, and waste system. Powered by wind and featuring a gray water-fed garden, it supports sustainable, minimalist living. Despite its size, it offers comfort and self-sufficiency, proving smart design can make the most of small spaces. Compact enough to fit in a van, it's a powerful statement on how little we truly need. Tricycle House. The Tricycle House is a mobile, off-grid home built on a tricycle frame. Made of foldable plastic, it expands accordion style and links to other units. Inside are a sink, stove, tub, water tank, and fold-away furniture. Sunlight lights the space by day, and everything runs on human power. Designed for flexibility in areas without private land, it offers compact, self-sufficient living on the move. Hüga Home Spot. The Hüga Home Spot is a compact, modular, concrete home designed for durability, safety, and energy efficiency. Fully equipped and easy to install without groundwork, it adapts to various lifestyles and life stages. Developed over 2 years by a multidisciplinary team, it offers low-maintenance, high-quality living. With sleek design and smart systems, Hüga delivers modern comfort and versatility. Ready to live in, anytime, anywhere. ECOCAPSULE. This is the ECOCAPSULE, a sleek, off-grid micro-home designed for 2+1 people, combining comfort, sustainability, and mobility. Inside, it features a queen-size bed, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen with an induction hob, fridge and tap water, plus a bathroom with a hot shower and conventional toilet. Perfect for remote work, it includes Wi-Fi, a working desk, and ample storage, both inside and out. A panoramic window brings nature in, creating the ultimate eco-retreat. Buoy Capsule. The Buoy Capsule is a compact, floating micro-home designed for off-grid living on water. Shaped like a buoy, it features sleeping space, storage, and essential utilities within a sleek, waterproof shell. Built for stability and energy efficiency, it's ideal for lakes, harbors, or calm coasts. With its futuristic design and tiny footprint, the capsule offers a minimalist, restful retreat, reimagining life on the water. Urbanpods. This is the Urbanpod, a sleek, contemporary garden pod designed to enhance your outdoor space while offering versatile functionality. With a compact 9.41 square meter footprint, it's perfect as a home office, studio, reading nook, or yoga retreat without overwhelming your garden. Despite its size, it features premium finishes like Carndian flooring, infrared heating, and app-controlled lighting. Sliding doors, thermally modified timber cladding, and composite decking complete the modern look. CABN Jude. This is CABN Jude, a minimalist off-grid retreat nestled in the coastal vineyards of McLaren Vale. Designed to help you slow down and reconnect, it features natural airflow, calming interiors, and a simple, thoughtful layout that brings the outdoors in. Sleeping 2 in a king loft bed, with a king single day bed for a third guest, Jude is perfect for solo escapes, intimate getaways, or quiet weekends with a friend. A compact kitchen, serene views, and nature's soundtrack replace screens and noise. It's comfort stripped to the essentials. Quiet, beautiful, and deeply grounding. CABN. This is CABN, a place to simply be. Designed for stillness and connection, it helps you disconnect from noise and reconnect with nature. Adaptable to any environment, Anna reflects the landscape around her. More than a shelter, she's a sensory vessel, opening you to sight, sound, and presence. A living idea where design meets nature. Anna grounds you in peace, meaning, and the rhythm of the earth. Tiny House Nano. This is the Tiny House Nano. Balashon's smallest build, just 7 square meters on a compact trailer. Inside, it fits a kitchen, dining work table by a round window, and a fold-out bench for 2. A loft bed above sleeps a child, with storage cleverly built in. Behind a sliding door is a bathroom with a dry toilet and 70 by 70 centimeter shower. Nano proves that thoughtful design makes tiny living entirely possible. Jason's Mono Mini. This is Jason's Mono Mini, a sleek, ultra-compact cabin designed for minimalist living and off-grid escape. With a clean, modern aesthetic and smart spatial design, the Mono Mini offers all the essentials in a small footprint, making it ideal for solo stays or quiet retreats. Inside, it features a cozy sleeping area, compact kitchen, and integrated storage, all crafted to maximize comfort without excess. Tiny House Design. This is a tiny house design, a compact 3 by 6 meter, 2-story modern home with a total living space of just 18 square meters. Thoughtfully laid out, it includes 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a small living room, offering a functional and cozy living experience in a minimal footprint. Perfect for urban infill, backyard setups, or off-grid retreats, this design maximizes vertical space and efficient planning. RAUS Cabins. This is a RAUS cabin, a minimalist, off-grid retreat designed for reconnection with nature. Built with clean lines and natural materials, it offers a cozy sleeping area, compact kitchen, and bathroom, all framed by expansive windows. Crafted for remote settings yet full of quiet comfort, RAUS Cabins provide a calm, modern escape with just the essentials. Nothing more, nothing less. KODA Loft. This is the KODA Loft, a compact prefabricated micro-home by KODA. With a minimalist cube shape and full glass facade, it feels bright and spacious within just 29 to 31 square meters. Inside, it includes a living area, kitchen, bathroom, and lofted sleeping space. Delivered fully finished, it installs on-site in a single day, offering a sleek, sustainable solution for modern living. OOD Golden House. The OOD Golden House is a luxury micro-home clad in gold-tinted mirrored glass, blending into nature while glowing in sunlight. Created by Estonian brand OOD, it offers around 26 square meters of sleek, turnkey living space. Both functional and eye-catching, it's designed as a high-end retreat with premium features throughout, where architecture meets art in a compact, reflective form. Houseboat by Aqua-House. The Harmonia 310 by Aqua-House is a 17 square meter houseboat built for off-grid comfort and mobility. Made from aluminum and certified wood, it includes a living room with kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom, a 9.9 horsepower motor, solar panels, and 400-liter water tank support self-sufficiency. Sliding doors open to front and rear terraces, while heating and insulation ensure year-round comfort, all in a sleek 9.7 meters by 3.1 meters frame. The Jude. This is the Jude, a family-friendly tiny house that sleeps up to 6. It features a main floor bedroom, loft space for a king bed, a full bathroom, and cozy stairs. The full-size kitchen includes room for a dishwasher and washer-dryer. With 11 dual-pane, low-E windows and an optional skylight, the interior is bright and welcoming, offering comfort, function, and thoughtful design in a compact footprint. LoftCube. The LoftCube is a futuristic, modular tiny home designed by Werner Eislinger, created to offer a stylish and flexible living experience in compact form. Measuring around 34 to 40 square meters, it features floor-to-ceiling glass walls that flood the space with natural light and offer sweeping views. The structure is prefabricated using lightweight materials like aluminum and fiberglass reinforced plastic and can be easily transported and installed on rooftops, in nature or urban settings. Smartdome. Smartdome is a compact geodesic home designed for off-grid living in a close connection with nature. Built with galvanized steel and laminated timber, it features weather-resistant panels and adjustable legs for varied terrain. Its dome shape provides strength and energy efficiency, even in harsh climates. Modular, mobile, and quick to assemble, Smartdome offers a flexible, sustainable alternative to traditional housing. MMhouse Tiny House. The MMhouse Tiny House is a 19 square meter modern prefab unit with minimalist design and smart space use. Its open-plan layout combines living, sleeping, and kitchenette areas with foldable furniture and clever storage. Built with timber framing and insulated panels, It's durable and energy efficient. Large windows and a compact cube shape make it ideal as a mobile studio, guest house, or retreat. Delivered nearly complete for easy setup. PrefabX Flip. PrefabX Flip is a sleek, modular container home built for fast, flexible living. Made from steel and insulated panels, it expands from 26 square meters to over 39 square meters and sets up in a single day. Designed for durability, it withstands wind, snow, and quakes while offering strong thermal and sound insulation. Open-plan interiors allow for customizable layouts with options for full kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Modern, efficient, and ready to live in. The Element. The Element is a 16-foot, 135-square-foot tiny home built for flexibility and mobility. With a loft, full bathroom, optional laundry, and customizable plywood interior, it offers smart minimalist living. Large windows bring in natural light, while durable siding and strong insulation ensure year-round comfort. Weighing just 7,000 pounds, it's easy to tow. An affordable, adaptable home for those seeking simplicity on the move. Tumbleweed Elm. The Tumbleweed Elm by Snake River. Tiny Homes is a classic tiny house on wheels with a Gothic-style facade and charming front porch. Ranging from 20 to 33 feet, it fits up to 6 people with a kitchen, bathroom, loft, and optional main floor bedroom. Built for year-round comfort, it features quality insulation, energy-efficient appliances, and a durable structure, blending timeless design with modern, mobile living. Crua Modus. The Crua Modus is a compact all-in-one camping system for minimalist adventurers. It includes a tent, self-inflating mattress, sleeping bag, pillow, bug mesh, and weatherproof fly sheet, everything packed in one portable bag. Inflatable poles allow fast setup, while the quilt and fly sheet offer versatile use, even as a hammock. Lightweight and adaptable, it's perfect for hiking, biking, or solo trips, offering comfort, convenience, and flexibility outdoors. TRAFT, the Tent-Raft hybrid. TRAFT is a lightweight hybrid that combines a packraft and tent into one seamless system. Made from durable TPU, aluminum, and polyester, it's built for comfort on land and performance on water. Its compact, foldable design allows quick setup and easy packing, making it ideal for adventurous travelers. TRAFT offers a new level of freedom and mobility, perfect for exploring the wild without the hassle. U-Building. U-Build is a modular, recyclable building system designed for flexibility and low environmental impact. Ideal for both temporary and permanent structures, it grows, shrinks, or moves with you. Made from lightweight materials that often skip concrete foundations, it supports circular, sustainable living. With simple assembly and clean design, U-Build empowers users to create adaptable spaces that evolve with their lives and values. Longhouse Kits. The Longhouse Kit by Cedar Shed is a cottage-style backyard structure made from 100% Western red cedar. It features wide double doors, 2 front windows, and comes in various sizes for easy assembly with pre-built panels. No cutting needed. Choose a metal roof or shingle-ready OSB base. Complete with shutters, planter boxes, and a solid cedar floor, it's perfect for garden storage or a cozy outdoor retreat. Kia PV5 Wkndr. This is the Kia PV5 Wkndr, a rugged electric van built for off-grid weekend escapes. With off-road tires, a lifted frame, and a modular interior, it adapts for sleeping, cooking, or remote work. The unique gearhead system adds sheltered exterior storage, freeing up interior space. Designed for flexibility and adventure, the Wkndr is a reliable companion for life beyond the pavement. The Tote. This is the Tote, a NOAA-certified tiny home that makes smart use of space. It features a 2-burner propane cooktop, on-demand water system, flush or composting toilet, and a full 32-inch shower. A flexible sleeping area fits a futon, daybed, or trundle, while a roomy desk table spans the front. Compact yet functional, the Tote offers comfort, versatility, and thoughtful design in a truly tiny footprint. Thanks for watching Chopbusters. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments which mini house impressed you the most. See you next time.